In this video, we're going to explore the use of preset prompts and also how they fit in with Writelike. You can see I'm logged in here. I will go to the prompts section. The preset prompts are a Frankenstories Pro feature. So you can use these if you have a Pro subscription, but also if you are on your free trial, which lasts for 30 days. Similarly with Writelike is part of the Pro features, but also you can use it on your free trial. This page is our preset prompts. So we'll have a look at narrative writing, but if we just scroll down a little bit, you can see there's a whole range of prompts. So this includes things like persuasive, informational, poetry, we've got Shakespeare, there's argument, there's all sorts of things in here. So feel free to go and have an explore. We'll go up to narrative writing to start with. And I'll just start with the first one. This is character physical features. What happens with these is you get a worded description, you get an image, and then have round instructions. So each of the round instructions are preset for you. So you can use them, which give the students guidance for what they need to write each round. Quickest way to do this is to just use the Use Prompt button, which I'll click on now. Here we're taken directly to the prompt setup, and we can go through and change a lot of these features if we like. So if we wanted to change the image, we can go through and select from our image categories. So we have a few options there. I'll just click through to the rounds. You can see the scaffolding instructions here, the round instructions, and you can feel free to change those if you like, or use the preset prompt round instructions. Then go through to your settings and you can change the character limit voting timer to suit your class. So you would just play the game as you would normally. I'll go back to the prompts and then show you the link with Writelike. Here we are, we're back at the preset prompt and we've gone to that same character physical features preset prompt. What we can do here is, first of all, we can see the example games, and these are by other classes that have used this preset prompt, and you can see what they've done. But also you can go and visit Writelike. Writelike is our mentor text modeling program, and it has a lot of great lessons which complement Frankenstories. Not all of the individual preset prompts have a lesson link with Writelike, but many of them do. We'll click on the link to Writelike. This takes us to our Writelike page, and you have full access to Writelike with your subscription or your free trial. And you can log into Writelike using your same login credentials that you use for Frankenstories. This has taken you directly to the relevant lesson that aligns with that preset prompt, referring to characters in this instance. Writelike uses popular text, in this instance, The Twits by Roald Dahl, and it refers to the text and deconstructs how the author has written. So it might give you an example in this case of how the author has been very descriptive of a particular character. So it has various activities here, so you can do some highlighting, and down the bottom it'll give the student a chance to have their own response. So you can use Writelike lessons as part of your class, and then go back to Frankenstories and use the preset prompts to put that lesson into practice. That's an example of how you can use preset prompts and link it with Writelike.